So guys, I will show you how I get this pattern. This is the pattern what I did in my DIY mask. We just need 14 by 10.5 centimeter. So that is the width and the length here. So I just need to explain this to you. So this is the form of our pattern. So here, as you can see, I measured 2 centimeter. And here, on the other side, is 3.5 centimeter. So the next, here at the upper part, I measured 1.5 centimeter. And from here, I measured 4.5 here and 6 centimeter here, from here. And at the other side, from here, I measured 4 centimeter. So that's all what I did here from these sides. Now we will go here. I just estimated the center of these two edges from here to this 1.5 centimeter. So I just estimated this is the center. So from this center, I measured 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Then I make a line from 2 centimeter up to here also. I draw a line. And then I also draw a line from 1.5 centimeter to 4.5 centimeter. So I also draw a line. And then from 6 centimeter, I also draw a line to this 4 centimeter. So this is the line. And from 4 centimeter to 3.5 centimeter. So to get this curve, you just need to estimate. From here, just draw a small curve, and then from 6 centimeter going here. But before that, what I did is I need to get the center of these two dots, 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter, and that is the center. And from there, I measured 3.5 centimeter to get the curve. So from here, 3.5 centimeter is here. So I draw a curve like this until here. here are the masks that I did last night. I did this bigger because this is for my husband. And what I did, I put a pleats here so that it will fit. So as you can see, the shape is good, and it's easy to sew this. It's easy to sew because I just use the zigzag all over. First, I sew all over this edge, zigzag, and then I pull it back, so, and then I sew here, and that's all. Then I put the string, so this is nice to use because this is already filtered, and especially when you are working as frontliner, this is good to use even you're at home. This is safer, and it's easy to do. It's easy to make. So that's how I did this. So I still have here 4 pieces, and I will sew this later. So this is the cutting of that. First, you need to make this edge close all over, zigzag, and then turn it like this, and the next you need is to fix this. And then after is the string. You need to put the string here. Here you need to sew inside the string. So it's just easy, and it turns out very nice. It's filter micro pore plus filtration. Micro pore plus filtration. So this is nice. This is safer to use.